If I think about the billing function before, there was a lot of Excel spreadsheets, there was a lot of piecing together data manually. Putting Guidewire in has really helped us automate things and reduce a lot of those manual processes. A good example is collateral. We used to track that manually. Now that's an automated process. It allows us to be more accurate and to have better data, and that is a huge win.
With the Guidewire billing platform, we were able to significantly increase the amount of automated testing we do. Before, we were at about 10%. Now we're at about 70% automated testing.
Intelligent insurance is having automated processes that allow you to scale your business in a way that you can grow. We would not be able to scale this business if we didn't have the technology underneath to allow us to do that.